Hey, fellow classmates. My name is Melissa Evans, and I'm going to be taking the EDFR 6300 course with you guys. So, to introduce myself, I'm from Walterboro, South Carolina, which is about 45 minutes outside of Charleston. I've been born and raised on the coast of the Carolinas my whole life, so I've really enjoyed living here with the beaches right down the road at all times. I am the mother of a fabulous 3-year-old named Abby. She is kind of a special blessing to us because we tried to have children for about 6 years before we were able to have this little nugget of joy. So she's a little bit spoiled, a little bit rotten, and I don't know what I would do in life without her because she keeps my days so interesting. My husband is Gary, and he is fabulous. He goes along with any adventure I decide we need to go on. He's just along for the ride and is always there to support me when I need something, which is fabulous. My education career began at the University of South Carolina, where I got my bachelor's degree in elementary education way back in 2006. After that, I taught for a few years, and while teaching, I went back to school and got a master's degree in elementary mathematics through Walden University. And I've really enjoyed the math concepts that I've learned from there. So, for my teaching career, I've taught for 15 years in grades 3 through 5, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. Most of that time, I think 12 years of that time, has been teaching math and science at a 4th and 5th grade level. And that has been my most favorite thing in the world to do. I love teaching my students math and science. I've always been the techie teacher at my school where everybody would come to me if there was an issue with technology, and I enjoyed that part as well. But when COVID shut down the schools last year, we did not have a plan in place for virtual learning. So when we started back in August, it had been a whirlwind of trying to figure out how to teach virtually. And I was an all virtual teacher when we first went back, and I loved it. It was fabulous. It was the best thing ever. I loved learning the new programs and learning how to teach children virtually as opposed to in the classroom. And it was a fun experience for me to figure out these new things. When we started our second semester of school, we allowed more children back in, so then I became a blended teacher, and so I'm learning more about that every day, about how to teach children virtually and in class at the same time. When we started back virtual, I loved it. I knew I wanted to learn more about that, so that led to me looking to get another degree. So in January, I started with the Ed Tech program through UTRGV, and I'm on my second module. The first one, I had a tech course and an ed course, and I absolutely loved it. Same thing for my second module here. I'm taking a tech course, and this is the ed course that I have to take. And I'm really excited. I'm learning something new in each one, and I find it so fun to bring that information back and use it in my classroom. But research experience, I don't have much of at all. I remember taking a research course through my other master's degree through Walden, and I don't remember it being super bad, so hopefully this one will be great. I just haven't had any experience doing research in the educational field other than that one class. So I'm hoping that this course, though I'm a little apprehensive, I'm hoping to do really well with it. So I just want to say to everybody, good luck in the course. I hope to learn a lot from you guys, and I'll be seeing you around. Bye.